Hello everyone, welcome to this video session of Huawei Routing and Switching Labs. I'm your instructor Jay Mehta, and in this session we are going to download and install the simulator software to perform simulation on different Huawei's routers and switches. So the name of the simulator is Graphical Network Simulator Platform, or also known as eNSP. Now we need to go to Google and type download eNSP Huawei's latest version. So from these links you can download the eSimulator software, or what I've done is I have uploaded the software on my personal Google Drive, and from there also you can download the software. The link for this Google Drive is there in the description box. So once you open the link, you need to click on download. The file is a big file which is of 702 Mbps. So you need to click on download anyway, and you can see that the download will begin. So here you have it. So depending upon your net speed, it can take anywhere from 3 minutes to 10 minutes for the file to be completely downloaded. So here you can see that I've already downloaded the file, so I'm not going to do it again. So once the download is complete, you can go to that particular software or to that particular folder. Now this is a WinRAR or a zip file. So once you double click on it, okay, you will see that there are 4 softwares which are present in this zip file. Okay, so you will also need a WinRAR or a WinZip extractor. The link for that will also be present in the description box. Now you need to click, or you need to select all the 4 softwares and extract. Click on extract and then click on OK. So I've already extracted these files, so I will not do that. So here, this is the extracted files that I have. All right, so here we need to install all these 4 files. All right, so I'll begin with the installation now. You need to click on WinPcap. Right, so here you can see allow it, yes, then click on next, I agree, install. Okay, so yes, you can see it has been installed now. Then I'll click on Wireshark. Okay, so click on next, I agree, next, next. So yeah, you just have to click on next. You can just install the USB PCAP as well. Okay, so now you can see that the files are getting installed. Right, then click on I agree. Okay, so just select npcap for WinCap. All right, no, so in this case WinPcap will be uninstalled, so we don't want to do that. All right, so support 802.11 traffic, yes, we want that. That is for wireless devices, that will be there in the simulator. Okay, and just click on install. All right, now you can see that this simulation, this particular software has been installed. I'll click on next. Okay, so yeah, now it is asking me to accept the terms to install the USB PCAP. So click on next. Okay, install. Right, so yes, I see that it is completed. Close. So I'm back to Wireshark. So now the Wireshark software is getting installed. Alright, so yes, the Wireshark has been installed on my PC. I'll click on I'll reboot manually later. Click on finish. Next I need to install is the virtual box. So in my system, I have already installed the virtual box. So I will not be installing it again, but you just need to click on next, 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 and it will get installed. So now I'll install the main eNSP setup file. Right, I'll click on yes. We have next. I accept the agreement. So this is the folder where it will get installed. So I'll click yes. Next, create the desktop icon. Yes. So yes, it has detected that the prerequisite softwares to install eNSP simulator are WinPCAP, Wireshark, and VirtualBox, which all three of them have been installed on my PC. So I'll click on next and I'll click on install. So now the installation has begun and I just need to wait for it to get completed. Alright, so now you can see that the installation has almost completed. So one more thing, the eNSP simulator is currently available only on the Windows platform. So I've completed the installation. Now I've clicked on launch, so it should begin. Yes, I have it. Right, so now this is the basic interface of your eNSP simulator. Okay, so here there are some predefined labs, okay, which you can just click upon them and the topology will be uh, opened automatically. Right, so here you have it. So if you want to start a new topology, okay, so you need to click on this tab which says new topo. Okay, I'll click no over here. Alright, so over here you have the routers, the switches, the wireless devices, the WLAN devices, the end devices, the cloud, and the connections. So you can just take any of the two routers, right? So you just have to drag them and take the end device over here, okay? And now we'll be connecting them. So through the connections, we can either select on auto or select copper wire, okay? Click on the PC and then click on AR1. So here it gives me the ports that I can use or that I can connect to. So I'll use gigabit Ethernet port and from here again Ethernet port to this particular router. So right now all these devices are in the off state. So in order to turn them on, I need to select them and click on this button which will turn on the devices. Alright, so you can see that the device has been turned on now. So I can go to the command line and I can start configuring the device. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you have any queries or any questions, do mention your queries or feedback in the comment section and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.